Welcome to this guided meditation for self-love. Today we will focus on cultivating self-love through the power of the breath. In this practice, we will use mindful breathing as a tool to nurture compassion for ourselves, creating a space of kindness and love within. As you embark on this journey, allow yourself to be fully present, giving yourself permission to receive the love you deserve. Now, let's begin. Start by settling into a comfortable seated position. Elongate your spine and relax your shoulders, letting go of any tension. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Feel the support beneath you. Whether it's a chair, the floor, or something else grounding your body, know that in this moment you are fully supported. Tune into the energy of the space around you. Sense the presence of the surface holding you and the air surrounding your body, supporting you from all sides. Now, take a few deep, cleansing breaths in any way that feels natural. With each exhale, invite your thoughts to soften, releasing any worries or distractions. Let your breath flow naturally, without force. For a few moments, simply observe its rhythm, allowing each breath to come and go at its own pace. Remember that every breath you take sustains your body. Each inhale and exhale is an act of love toward yourself. Breathe with this awareness, letting each breath be a gesture of compassion for your being. As you breathe in, feel love, kindness, and compassion growing within you. With each exhale, allow your mind to release any tension or stressful thoughts, letting them gently dissolve. Every breath you take fills you with love, awakening the energy of self-compassion. If it feels right for you, silently repeat this affirmation. I love myself with each breath that I take. I love myself with each breath that I take. I love myself with each breath that I take. Continue to feel this loving energy. Let it expand from the inside out, surrounding you and filling you with peace. If your mind drifts, gently bring your attention back to your breath, back to the loving energy you are creating within. I love myself with each breath that I take. I love myself with each breath that I take. Take a few more moments to savor this compassionate energy. Now release the words and simply breathe. Notice the surface supporting you once again, and feel your connection to the present moment. Begin to welcome some gentle movement into your body. You might wiggle your fingers, your toes, or gently roll your shoulders. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of loving breath with you throughout your day, allowing it to support and nurture you in all that you do. Thank you for joining this meditation today. May you continue to breathe with love, compassion, and kindness for yourself. Whenever you need it, know that your breath is always here to remind you of your inner strength and capacity for self-love. Take care, and may you find peace and joy in your day.